Good morning guys. So this morning I have a Rebecca style villa to show you. We are on Sector D of Camposol, which is an urbanisation down in the Murcia region on the Costa Calida. So let me take you inside this lovely home. So this is the property. It is a 2-bedroomed, 2-bathroomed extended Rebecca. It has 3 terraces, one on the front, one in the back courtyard and a rooftop solarium. So you have 3 places where you can catch the sun all day long. As you've noticed, lovely tiling, basket weave tiling here, and this beautiful ornate front gate. I do like the gate and the rejas. They've all been done very nicely, because normally the rejas are quite plain in properties. You've got raised borders here for your plants. And you've got a water point there. I like to point the water points out because we have sandy rain and it just hoses down the front terrace then. So you have a nice area where you can sit and have a morning coffee and read the newspaper. Lovely decorative balustrade around, and just above, of course, you've got an awning there. So all around the windows and doors you've got these lovely Spanish tiles. So let me take you inside. You've got your front door here. Just immediately inside, that's your dining area just there. I'll just pan around for you guys. So you've got your feature fireplace, plenty of shelving and a place for your TV. So as you can see, I've put all the lights and fans on so you can see they're all in good working condition. And that's the other end of the room. I didn't bother putting that fan on, one's quite enough or I'd blow myself away. So you've got windows on either side of the door, and you have an aircon unit above the door as well. So through the archway here you have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So I'm just going to take you down here first. So I'll take you into the first bedroom here. So this is the first bedroom. You've got a large double bed in here. Just taking the room from a different angle. They have a double wardrobe in here for extra storage. So you can see how large this room is. If you take that out, it gives you even more space. And just here you've got an integrated wardrobe with overhead storage. Okay, so I'm just going to pan back around for you guys so you can get a better feel for this room. So you've got quite a bit of furniture in here, to be fair. Okay, so let me take you into the family bathroom. So just in here is the shower room. You've got a vanity unit, your WC, your sink. You have a bath, nice and large one, and you've got a shower attachment just there with the shower curtain. The bathroom is tiled from ceiling to floor. And you have your frosted glass window just there. So just over the sink and vanity unit, you've got the mirror with the lovely lights inset in it. And just there you've got your door with an overhead heater. You've also got some storage there as well. So let us take you into the next bedroom. So in here, you've got another double bed and you've got a single bed. So if you've got family or friends staying over, you can put them up here. Just here you've got an integrated wardrobe with overhead storage. I'm just going to pan around for you guys. And just through here you have a shower room. You've also an electric heater on the wall. So just in here is a lovely shower room. So you've got really long shower here. You've got spotlights up here as well. Just put the spotlights on for you, just makes it look a lot nicer, so you know they're working as well. And of course that's the shower there. You've got a very modern sink just there, and you have storage there. I'm just going to pan around. Just there you've got the WC, and just outside is the next terrace or courtyard. Okay, this door here slides across, so it's a frosted glass door there. Okay, and you've got an electric hand towel heater there. So let me take you around the rest of the property. So we're back through the living area, which is really nice and spacious. This is your dining area just here. Plenty of space and room, as you can see. They have had a new flooring put in there in the dining area, and that goes through to the kitchen. Kitchen top here matches the splashbacks. Now you could put some bar stools just here and have your breakfast off that if you wanted. So you've got plenty of top and base units. You've got your extractor hood there, your integrated oven and hob, your dishwasher, your microwave, and your fridge freezer. You've got everything you could possibly want. So I'm just panning around for you guys. So let me take you outside. And again, you've got this lovely ornate reca on the back door. Most places are quite plain, but they're quite decorative here. Now just outside the garden here, you have your washing machine. That's your washing machine just there. And you have your gas boiler. Your gas boiler heats your hot water, gives you immediate hot water. So this is your other terrace, which is quite nice. You can sit out here, have your breakfast. Lovely tiles and decorative palm trees on the walls there. So I'm going to take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium, guys. So I'll see you up at the top of the stairs. So I'm up here on the terrace, and you can see how large the terrace is. You have enough room there for a table and 6 chairs, some loungers, and you can also put a hot tub up here as well. You have lighting up here, and you got switches. Just show you the mountain views are spectacular over there, look. So look at those mountain views, aren't they spectacular? And you've got that all the way around. Beautiful, amazing views. Really nice. This feels quite private here as well. The walls aren't that high that it blocks the sun. You can still see the mountain views while you're lounging there. And they have done lovely tiles throughout this property as well. So let me take you back downstairs. And back downstairs you have, I didn't mention it when I went upstairs, you have a light out the back here as well. And you have a dawn to dusk light out the front as well. So guys, if you are interested in this property, do contact Dawn at tolettoseltobuy.com. I'll leave the website details and everything down below. Okay. So have an amazing day, guys, and don't forget to share on your social media.